5 simple steps to clean variable valve timing solenoid. Cleaning your car engine's variable valve timing (VVT) solenoid in regular intervals to ensure your car's engine works smoothly. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Getting ready. Parking and safety. Park the machine safely, apply the handbrake, and make sure the engine doesn't start accidentally. Find the valve. Check your car manual to find where the solenoid valve is. It's usually near the top of the engine. Tools and cleaners. Get the right tools like wrenches and screwdrivers. And cleaners suitable for your machine. Step 2. Removing the valve. Disconnecting. Before taking the valve out, disconnect the wire attached to it carefully. Unscrewing. Use a wrench to gently unscrew the bolts holding the valve in place. Removing. Once the bolts are off, carefully take out the valve. It might be stuck, so wiggle it gently to get it out. Step 3. Cleaning the valve. Cleaning the valve. Use a cleaning pipe and an air pressure gun to clean the valve well. Be careful not to get cleaner into the electrical parts. Cleaning seat and parts. Also, clean where the valve sits and any other parts connected to it, making sure everything is free of dirt and deposits. Check the O-ring. Clean the rubber on the valve for any damage. If it's worn out, replace it with a new one. Step 4. Putting back the valve. Installing the valve. Put the clean valve back and hand tighten the bolts. Tightening. Use a torque wrench to make sure the bolts are tightened properly. Reconnecting. Plug the wire you disconnected earlier back into the valve. Step 5. Testing. Starting the engine. Turn the power back on. Start the engine. And watch carefully to see if the clean valve is working as it should. Sealing ability. Once the valve is closed, it should completely stop the flow in the intended direction. Listen for leaks or drips. Flow rate. If the valve controls the flow of a liquid or gas, observe if the flow rate is consistent and matches expectations when the valve is open. Pressure regulation. If the valve regulates pressure, measure the pressure on both sides of the valve to ensure it's within the desired range. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.